Some people online are having trouble figuring out how to navigate our website to register for events. So hope this helps. First, you go to our website, Cal4wheel.com. That should take you to our home page. At the top of the page, you see a bunch of bars that take you to different places on our website. If you scroll your arrow over to events, a window pops up automatically. We're going to scroll down to High Desert Roundup. You click on that. That takes you to the event page. On this page, there's a lot of useful information, the date of the event, where it's located, various links you can use to register. You can click on run descriptions. It shows you all the runs that are available. You can click on these pluses to expand it, and it gives you a little information about each trip. It should tell you an idea of what to expect for your vehicle and for the trail. But we'll go back to information. So we're going to go ahead and click on register. And that will redirect you to a new page all about that particular event and how to register for it and its meals. So if you don't already have an account with our website, you'll need to create one. It's just so we can navigate payment and stuff. So I'm going to sign in. If I scroll down, it shows you the price of the event for one registration, the dates, where the event is located. I'm going to choose to register myself. So now it's going to ask me a few questions. You can tell us what you drive, if you're related to a club, your license plate number, any comments you may want to share. In this case, we need to choose a t-shirt. And once you make your choices, it's important that you save your responses. Now you can scroll down. And it shows you if you want to add things to your basic registration. Extra meals, your buddy's vehicle, dash plaques. You can come down to apparel. You can click on t-shirts, for example. You can scroll through event t-shirts. You can add a t-shirt to your trip. You can see here it made a selection. Scroll down and proceed to checkout. Here you can see this takes you to your forms of payment. Make your choices and submit order. And that's it.